Dear children, today we have to learn in Standard 8, Subject Social Science, Chapter number 10. The name of the chapter is Following the Mahatma Part 2. Now, dear children, you know very well that in the previous lecture we have already learned about the civil disobedience movement started by Gandhiji in 1930. Under this civilian disobedience movement, now Gandhiji decided to launch a Dandi March in 1930. In Dandi March, dear children, we have learned that the Dandi March was the part of the civil disobedience movement. In this, they have to say that in India, the production and the sale and the purchase of the sword was controlled by the Britishers. At that time, the Britisher has also taken the heavy tax to be paid on the sword by the people to the British government. So, in 1930, the Gandhiji announced to break the sword law and he would carry out the march. This march was called as a Dandi March. On 12th March 1930, with his 78 followers, companion, started the Dandi March from Sabarmati Ashram, Ahmedabad, and Gandhiji reached the village of the Dandi on the 5th April 1930. On 6th April, he reached the seashore, picked up some salt lying there in his palm, and broke the salt law. It also arrested thousands of satyagrahi who participate in the Dandi March. So all these things, dear children, we have learned into the previous lecture. Now, dear children, today we have to learn about the round table conference. What, dear children, today we have to learn about the round table conference. It means Gold Meji Parishad. Now, in 1930, the British government arranged the Round Table Conference to discuss about the types of the constitution to give to the India and the amendment, it means changes to be made on it. What they are saying that, dear children, they are saying that in 1930, the British government arranged the Round Table Conference to discuss about the types of constitution to be given to the India and amendment, it means which are the changes to be made on it. But the Indian National Congress did not attend it, and so the conference was unsuccessful. So a second round table conference was held in 1931 in London. What happened that, dear children? They have to given that here the first conference, which one? The first conference was unsuccessful as the Indian National Congress decided to boycott it, and because of that, now the second round table conference was held in 1931 in London. Now, at that time, here they were given that even in this conference, the Gandhiji was the sole representative of the Indian National Congress. Now, what happened then, dear children? Here they have to given that this second round table conference held in London in 1931. At that time, Gandhiji was the sole representative of the Indian National Congress. Moreover, the people who were representative of the various community wanted a separate electorate for the Dalit and for the different community. Now, what happened there at that time? The people who were representative of the various community wanted separate electorates for the Dalit and for the different community, and because of that, the demand of displeased Gandhiji, because he knew the fulfillment of such a demand would break the Indian unity, and because of that, what happened there? Here now Gandhiji was distressed because of this, the demand of the different community, and no, the fulfillment of such demand would break the Indian unity. So the representative could not come to a common opinion and the solution. So even this conference ended unsuccessfully, and because of that, now what happened that whatever the representative is there, this representative could not come to the common opinion, and the solution. So even this conference also the unsuccessful. So we can say that the leader of the various community did not agree, and hence the conference was the failure. Second round table conference. After dear children, they have to given about the next one, and the Government of India's Act 1935. Which one, dear children? They have to given. They have to given that the Government of India's Act 1935. It means 1935 નો હિન્દ સરકારનો કાયદો. The Government of India's Act was the second phase in the constitutional changes in India. Now what happened then, dear children? They have to given them. The Government of India, the act was the second phase, and this second phase is regarding with the constitutional change in India. But it turned out to be the inadequate and the disappointing for the nationalist. And this is here they have to say that the Government of India's act was the which phase? Second phase. And whatever the constitutional changes is there, this constitutional changes in India, but it turned out to be the inadequate as well as the disappointing for the nationalist. And because of that, here they have to given that according to the Dr. Rajendra Prasad, the degree of autonomy introduced at provisional level was quite limited. Whatever the dear children, at that time, the Dr. Rajendra Prasad degree of the autonomy was introduced as a provisional level was quite limited, and because of that, the provisional governor retains the importance of the reserve power, and the British authority also retained the right to suspend the responsible government. Now what happened then, dear children? Here the main provision as well as the main power are taken by the British government. Here they have to say that here the whatever the provisional is there for the governor, they retain the important as well as they reserve their power, and the British authority also has the retains a right to suspend any responsible government. So the elected representative of India were given a very limited authority. Now what happened that at that time we can say that the whatever the elected representative is there, the elected representative of India were given a very limited authority, and because of that, dear children, we can say that this was against their expectation. And what happened here? They have to say that this is the one kind of the things that are against their expectation. As per this act, election were held. Now what happened then? As per this act of the Government of India's act, the election were held, but Gandhiji suggested the Indian National Congress would form one federal legislative only. What the Gandhiji suggested, children? The Gandhiji was suggested that the Indian National Congress would form one federal legislative only if it is guaranteed that the governor would not exercise an exclusive power granted to them. And what happened that at that time they have to say that it is a guarantee that the governor would not exercise an exclusive power granted to them, and because of that, this act as per the advice of the elected provisional ministers. And what they are saying there? They are saying that this act as per the advice of elected provisional of the ministers. Viceroy and National Secretary agree with the certain clarification of the Congress and Muslim League. What happened that at that time, Viceroy as well as the National Secretary both are agree for certain the clarification of the Congress as well as the Muslim League, and they form one federal legislative. The experiment of the provisional Swaraj is continued for the 2 years. What they are saying there? They are saying that underline PhD. The experiment of the provisional Swaraj was continued for the 2 years. So we can say that the experiment of the Swaraj continued for the how many years? For the 2 years. But at that time, when the World War II broken out in the year 1939, what happened there? At that time, the World War II broken out in the year 1939. The British government declared that India a part of it without consult the federal legislative. At that time, what happened there? Now British government declared on that side that India is part of it, of the Second World War without consulting the federal legislative, and because of that, as a sign of protest, the committee of the resign. And because of that, what happened there? Here, this is the one kind of the sign of the protest. This committee was resigned. Thank you, dear children.